Hello viewers, my name is Drumil Shah and I am currently pursuing my data science and business analytics internship from the Spark Foundation. So this is our fifth task in our internship, and in this task we had used the Tableau visualization tool for the data analysis part. And here the task is regarding the our favorite sport, that is cricket, like that is Indian Premier League IPL data. So the data consists of over to over ball to ball records from 2008 to 2019. So here we can get more idea regarding by while exploring the data. Like this is the first data for the deliveries, which consist of data from ball to ball, and these are the matches data. Like matches were played between which team and which team won and which team lost. Okay. So here we had created four dashboards for the same. First one is for the bowler. The second one is for the batsman. Third one is for the team, and fourth one is for the miscellaneous information. Okay. So, while exploring the data, I may tell you that these are the filters which we had used for the same, like from year 2008 to 2019. Whatever year we will be choosing, the whole dashboard will adjust itself as particular to that year. For example, for 2019, if you want the data, then as you can see on my screen, now here we can know the details regarding 2019. If we want the trend of performance of any particular bowler, then here just click on any of the bowler, and here at the below you will get the trend of the same as per the wicket, as per the wrong deliveries, and as per runs per over, average runs per over. Now moving forward, this second dashboard consists of the information for the batsman. Here also in the same way we can choose any of the year, and our data will adjust with the same. If you want any batsman detail information trend, then we have to just choose here, as I had chosen here CHKL. So we get the data for the total runs here scored in particular IPL in 2013. He had scored this much, more than 700. In the same way, run rate per over, boundaries. Here you can see the boundaries. If I click this, okay, so now we can see the overall boundaries of KL. Yeah, so in this way. Again, for any particular team, if we want, then we can see here in our third dashboard. Here, the one more information we had displayed, like for the toss winner. Whatever team is winning the toss, how much is the possibility that they will choose to bat first or they will choose to field first, are given by here, by this. And here we will get the trend for the performance of the same. Like for example, in 2012, for Mumbai Indians, if you take, so there are 50-50 chance that they had taken choose to bat or field. If we go for Chennai Super Kings, yeah, so maximum time 70% of time they had chosen to field, and 30% time they had chosen to bat. These are the winning data for this, for each team. And same way, if you want for the miscellaneous information, like which team had played with his opponent how many times, like Chennai Super Kings had played against Delhi Daredevils for 12 times. Here the name are different because like year wise the name had been changed. Like against Deccan Chargers they had played 8 times, against Pune Warriors they had played 12 times, 4 times, etc. Here in each like city, how many years the matches were played, that information are displayed in this module. So in this way, very beautifully and interpretably, we can create the whole visualization. Okay, I hope you like this video, and I want to thank Sparks Foundation for giving me such a beautiful opportunity to explore my skill in this type of analysis tool. So thank you.